Hi, I'm going to take you through the faculty perspective on bulletin board and topics just to prepare you for two sessions that are coming up, one in September and one in October. First, let's talk about accessing your class page. You'll be logged in as faculty, that's the persona that you will choose, and you can get to any of your classes under the word classes. Once you are there, you will start to create your bulletin board. A bulletin board provides a space to post important class content. It is something that is kind of static. It pretty much stays the same throughout the year with small changes every now and then. You might post a syllabus there, a link to an important resource that they would use, class expectations or rules, and you might like to have an events portion. We will learn how to build this in a session. You can add content to the bulletin board by entering the edit mode. Please remember that anytime you see a pencil, it's something that's editable, and that's how you get into that mode. Once you're inside, you can change the layout for your bulletin board. We are all using the same similar layout so that across the department and across the different schools, we all kind of have the same expectation. I mean, parents will have the same kind of expectations of what to find. It'll be slightly different for elementary, middle, and high school. You add new content by using a drag and drop method. This area here is called the wireframe region. These are your different content types, which we're going to talk about in just a little bit. You can drag and drop and rearrange ever how you like. You can also remove these channels by clicking on the X. Remember, there's the pencil. You can edit individual content by clicking on the pencils on each of these content types. You can always go to preview page to see what your page looks like. When you're ready to publish, you can simply click on publish layout changes. If you're finished and you want to see the actual page, you can simply go to publish layout and go to page. You can click cancel if you don't want to do anything that you had just done. While you're adding content, you click on the add button. It's got a green plus beside it. Content can be published to other sections that you teach by simply selecting in this area. So once you build a bulletin board or a topic, you can certainly copy to other sections that you teach without having to recreate it over again. This is really important to understand the different content types on bulletin board. Please go back through the link of the slide presentation and take time to read what each of these content types mean. For instance, when you set up an announcement, it doesn't just display on the bulletin board, it also displays on student calendars and in the student newsfeed. Same thing with events. Content on the bulletin board can be reused from year to year. Click the Import Material button to reuse expectations, leaks, and downloads. So when you get ready to set up for the next year, remember about this slide. Topics offer a great way to break down class into smaller subpages or units or chapters, and you can create lots of content to support what you are doing in the classroom. You create new topics by clicking on the green button again and add topic. One of the things you're going to need to find is some pictures. So in my resource roundup, I've provided a link or a topic page with lots of places to find images that you can use throughout your topics. This is where you would add a little description and pick a layout and when you would like this to be published. You can add new content the same way you did as you build your bulletin board. These can reuse as many times as possible. Your bulletin board content type can only be used only once, but that's not the same for topics. You can have many links, many downloads, whatever you need to support the topic that you're teaching. Here are the available topic content types. They're slightly different than your bulletin board, so you want to take some time to look through there and read them. You can choose the order in which you have your topics displayed just by clicking on Topic Priority on your Topics page. I hope this helps you get ready for building your topics. Good luck.